So guess what, guys? I have some good news for you. You want to get a Bosch battery for free? Yes, guys, for free. They have a brand new offer. If you buy one of their 18-volt tool for $159.99, you get another battery for free.
Well, the steps are easy and we are going to show you how it's done.
If you buy a standard 18-volt tool, you'll get a 4-amp 18-volt battery for free.
And if you buy one of the BITURBO tools, they'll send you out a 5.5 amp hour battery. Now these batteries are strong, believe me. Unlike my accents.
So when you get your tool, make sure you go online, enter your Bosch ID details, or create an account if you haven't got one already.
Get your receipt, take a photo of it, and send it over to them using the details.
And then you will get a Bosch Professional 18-volt battery sent to you free of charge.
This is something you can claim from the comfort of your own home or here on site like I am.
So don't miss out on this deal because it is a great deal and these batteries are really good.
It's that simple. What are you waiting for? Get in there while stocks last.
What a deal from Bosch. Go check it out, guys.